Hello, people! The first place we are going to see is my workplace. My office is inside this building. Let's go. Before entering inside, we should do some safety measures that are strictly followed here, okay? First, we should get our hands sanitized, and also let me check my body temperature. See, it is normal, so it is safe. So let's go. You may ask, why did I choose this place first instead of going around Chennai? I wanted to show one of the best places in Chennai. This is one reason, but the actual reason is, even though I love traveling, but traveling around Chennai during this time is kind of I am scared. It's better to stick safe wherever you are. Same thing applies to everyone, okay? To those who don't know about IIT Madras Research Park, it is India's first university-based research park. Aspires to build knowledge and innovation ecosystem where industry leaders and scholars can collaborate with state-of-art technology to integrate and apply advancement in knowledge to real-time products and services. Ta-da! From here, we cannot see the entire building. From 6th floor, we can. Let's go. So this is the 6th floor. So the view from the exterior will be so awesome. I came here before like 6 months, but let's go check it out how it looks like now. That is the Ramanujam IT Park. I don't know the view from there, but from here it will be so awesome. Oh my god, I'm coming here after 6 months. Wow. If you see from here, we can see a clear view of areas between Adayar, Besant Nagar and even some suburban railway stations and so on. Let's see the interior structure. The IITM Research Park is spread across 11.42 acres and has over 1.2 million square feet of workspace with several formal, informal, theme-based meeting and networking lounges to promote and sustain innovation through industry-academia collaboration. The building is designed by one of the India's leading architects. It has a courtyard surrounded by 5 individual towers interconnected by skywalk. The IIT Madras Research Park has 5 towers, Block A, Block B, that is Block C, we are in Block D and that is Block E. Let's see the bird view. Come here, I'll show you something interesting. There is an additional building for parking vehicles. I have seen 4 floors full of vehicles during normal days. From that building we can go to IIT Madras Research Park. To see how, we have to cross incubation cell. This is the incubation cell. The official IIT Madras Incubation Cell was launched in the year 2013 by Ashok Jhunjhunwala. It was one of the India's best incubator under India's top university with more than 200 plus best startups. They incubate, fund, mentor, basically from ideation to go to market. Incubation Cell has various startups categorized as deep tech, edutech, service startups and bio incubators. The parking block is next to the incubation cell. So let's go. Now we are in the second floor of the parking block which connects IIT Madras and Research Park. The bridge is named as Industry Academia Bridge. This is the another view of Industry Academia Bridge. The bridge is mainly considered for the students to enter the research park or the other incubators and higher officials to enter IIT Madras. IIT Madras is the top university in India, has an area of 622 acres. The whole campus looks green and green. Even the research park is a green building. To see how, let's go to the top. The campus is self-contained and of Graha 3-star rated compliance with the state-of-art services. 33 kilowatt amp substation with 100% power backup with DG sets automated through synchronization panel and grid connected PV solar power of 1 megawatt. State of art 24 into 7 water supply, drainage, communication with 1700 TR water cooled chillers. All services are controlled and operated through an integrated building management system. I hope you all loved the video. See you all in my next video. Until then, it's a bye from